Hey everyone, Stephen from the Flyby guys. Good to see you again. Coming to you from the city of Taipei in Taiwan, where I've been working here doing some shows. And I've not been making some videos because we've been really busy getting things ready for here. But I wanted to make this video about there's an ongoing issue right now in the professional side. And I wanted to stress this for the hobby community, because I think it's really important that the hobby community understand what is going on here, and that is that there's a bit of rhetoric being pushed about from the European Parliament and also from the sort of defence NATO side as well, and that is that Europe is under threat of attack of drones. Now this is causing a lot of concern within the professional community, as well as causing some concern because there's no evidence for this. There's absolutely no evidence. But Europe seems to be having a bit of a panic attack right now when it comes to drones, and they seem to think that critical infrastructure and other places are going to be under attack with drones. Now, don't get me wrong, I think that everywhere should be prepared for any possibilities. Setting up counter UAS is not as simple as it seems. Shooting down drones is not exactly the thing that we should be thinking about. But there is no threat of drones. There's always a risk. Don't get me wrong, there's always a risk. But there's no threat. And I've asked politicians, I've asked people in organisations for evidence of this, and they've not been able to provide anything. Now, I even had a Finnish politician, contact me and ask for a meeting and request it and booked a meeting, and then he suddenly cancelled that meeting. I'm a bit concerned about the rhetoric because this is going to have an effect on the social acceptance that we have for drones, because there's already enough negativity going around with Ukraine and also what's happening in the Middle East right now, which of course is not good. But the work that we do and many others are helping with social acceptance with drones, and that's a great thing. We do inspections, we're helping clients, we're doing drone light shows. This is a major thing which is helping with drones, which is helping with society. To push this threat of fear is, I think, is unwarranted, is wrong, and it's setting the wrong example. I'm going to leave examples of the articles from the European Parliament and all the rest of it in the description below, so make sure. So I'm not making this up. I'm not making this up, trust me. I just think it's wrong, and I think it's just the wrong thing to do. Anyway, what do you think? Because we need to stand up for this. It's very, very important. Again, I've asked for evidence, and no one is giving any. There's events being set up. People are talking, about counter UAS, which is very important. But I think there's a lot of misguided information about that as well. People don't understand that. People think they can just shoot down drones or whatever it is, and that is okay. But that's not the case. Detection is a big thing. Anyway, I will leave you, and I will continue my day off and enjoy some of Taipei, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks very much, and fly safe.